Dear students, how are you? Fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is very important. This is lecture series about strategically important topics of international relations, political science, global strategic studies, global affairs, and general knowledge of the world. Lectures can be helpful for study of A and O levels, undergraduate, graduate, bachelor's, BS, and masters in world universities and competitive examinations of the world. Please subscribe and share with the students. Thanks. This is South America. This is map of the South America. This is Central America. Above is North America. Let me show you the countries of in map of South America. This is Pacific Ocean, this is Atlantic Ocean, and this is the Brazil, this is Venezuela, this is Guyana, this is Suriname, this is French Guiana, and this is Colombia, this is Ecuador, this is Peru, this is Bolivia, this is Paraguay, this is Argentina, this is Chile, and this is Uruguay. These are the countries of South America. And this is equator, which passes through Brazil, Colombia, and Ecuador. You must remember that equator passes through three main countries and Galapagos Islands: Ecuador, Colombia, and Brazil. Now, some facts about South America. South American states are also called LATAM states. Largest country of South America is Brazil, and second is largest is Argentina. Smallest country is Suriname. Andes mountain range is in South America. Its peak is in Aconcagua, which lies in Argentina. Rivers: Amazon River is second largest river of the world, which is in Brazil. Shortest river is Azores. Lake Titicaca in Bolivia. Lake Valencia in Venezuela. World's tallest Angel Fall is in Venezuela. Niagara Fall is in North America. State of Magellan is in Argentina. Cape de Hornos around Argentina. Panama Canal connects Atlantic Ocean and Caribbean Sea with Pacific Ocean. Falkland Island is disputed between Argentina and United Kingdom. Both fought war in 1982. Now let us show you countries and their capital currencies. Always question is called, which are ABC countries? Number 1, Argentina. Number 2, Bolivia. Number 3. Why these are called ABC countries? Because they are bordered with each other. Let me show you on the map. Look, this is Argentina. This is Bolivia. This is border of Bolivia. This is Chile. This is border of Bolivia, between Chile and Bolivia. This is Argentina, and this is border between. All are bordered with each other. They are lying adjacent to each other. That's why these are called A, B, C countries. Now let us move to our other countries. Number 4, Brazil, and their capitals. Argentina's capital is Buenos Aires, and its currency is peso, and its parliament's name is National Congress. Terra del Fuego is lowest part of the world near Argentina. Second country is Bolivia, and its capital is La Paz, and its currency is Boliviano. Number 3, Chile. Number 3, Chile, and its capital is Santiago, and its currency is peso. Number 4, Brazil, and its capital is Brasilia, and its currency is real. Colombia, number 5, and its capital is Bogota, and its currency is peso. Number 6, Venezuela, its capital is Caracas, Bolivar, its currency. Peru, and its capital is Lima, and its currency is Nuevo Sol. Number 8, Paraguay, Ascension, is its capital. Guarani is its currency. Uruguay, Montevideo, and its currency is peso. Wish you good luck. Take care of it. Too easy.